every scientists are surprised with human reproductive system. Human reproductive system consists some mysterious fact. Male and female reproductive systems are totally unique and working in a different way. So today in this video I will show you some interesting fact about human reproductive system. So welcome to today's new episode. Alcohol, smoking and drug abuse can adversely affect a person's sexual performance, while exercise and a healthy diet can improve it. Fertility is most likely to occur when a woman is in the middle of her menstrual cycle. In this time, the hormones try to promote pregnancy. So there is a high possibility of pregnant in this time. A woman's uterus is usually about 3 inches long and 2 inches wide, which can grow up to 20 times during pregnancy. The uterus contains one of the strongest muscles in the female body. The fallopian tubes are about 12 cm long and wide as a sewing needle. The vagina holds many individuals' bacteria that protect the female reproductive organs from external infections. These bacteria live in a slightly acidic environment that lowers the pH of a woman's vagina. In the 8th week of pregnancy, vital organs such as the brain, heart, skin and the stomach all grow and develop into female body. The baby's health and development are affected by the mother's health. In the womb, the baby's body is covered with a thin layer of hair that disappears when the baby is born. Human reproductive system is a complex system. This is a unique mechanism which really surprising. Today in this video, I will show you some mysterious fact about human reproductive system. So welcome to today's new episode. The male reproductive system consists of a pair of testicles, tubes, glands and the liston that produce and transmits the sperm to a woman. Testicle produce sperm immediately. Because of that, to produce sperm, it needs a minimum temperature and environment. So testicles stay outside the body to absorb necessary temperature and environment. A woman's reproductive system consists of vagina, cervix, ovary, uterus and the fallopian tubes. The egg from ovary transmit with fallopian tube. The function of the female reproductive system are to produce egg cells to provide an ideal environment for fertilization. That's why egg and sperm meet together and finally it ends with a childbirth. Zygote is a single cell formed by a combination of both sperm and cell. Androgens hormones are responsible for deep voice, body hair, height and muscle in man. Some people have no hair in body because of the lack of androgens hormone. Normally, a healthy woman can give birth to about 35 babies in her lifetime. By the way, it also depends on geography and also genetics. Normally, sperm and ovum are about 0.03 to 0.05 mm long and 120 mm wide. The most healthy and strong sperm and egg can meet together. On the other hand, most of the weak sperm die in the way, but they try to reach near egg until her death. That means that every sperm and egg are live. That's why they try to survive with heart and soul. Both male and female reproductive systems have the ability to produce small amount sperm and egg in the human body. This is unbelievable, but this is true. That's why some male dramatically changed female. Healthy male testicles can produce about 500 million sperm cells daily, and a male can release up to 75 to 200 million sperm at the time of ejaculation. Female eggs can produce about 1 to 2 million eggs at the time of period, but only about 3 lakh eggs able to reach the ovaries. Most of the egg die within one day. Egg or ovum life is only 12 to 24 hours after release from the ovary, while sperm can live 36 hours. The process of sperm production needs a proper temperature, which is 2 to 3 degrees centigrade. This temperature is below of normal human body temperature, and that's why the testicles is located on outside the body. The sperm life cell is 2 to 3 months. New sperm cells are not just made overnight. In fact, sperm production takes around 64 days on the average. Some research suggests that healthy living can have a positive impact on sperm production, although it's going to take a while before this change is reflected in the health of sperm cells. On the opposite hand, for those who have recently been unwell or have slipped into some unhealthy habits, this might reduce sperm health a pair of months down the line. It's normal for the health of sperm to fluctuate throughout a man's lifetime, but those that have concerns about sperm quality should consult with their doctor for guidance. Female eggs can produce about 1 to 2 million eggs at the time of period. Healthy male testicles can produce about 500 million sperm cells daily. Normally, a healthy woman can give birth to about 35 babies in her lifetime. They may be small, but there are a lot of them. What sperm cells may lack in size, they certainly structure foreign numbers. Providing sperm count is healthy. Each male ejaculation contains tens of many sperm, with as many as 100 million new cells being produced every single day. That's quite a lot of sperm, especially once you consider that it only takes a single one to make a body. That's quite a lot of sperm, especially once you consider that it only takes a single one to make a baby. Normally, sperm and ovum are about 0.03 to 0.05 millimeter long. In today's video, we will take a closer look at male reproductive health, especially small but powerful sperm cell. These interesting facts about sperm reveal the unexpected truth about these first swimmers. It also explains why knowing about sperm can help both plan and prevent pregnancies in a woman's fertility. Sperm cells are really small. Have you ever found yourself pondering about size of these unseen swimmers? Well, sperm cells are literally really tiny. In fact, they are some of the smallest cells in the human body and measure just 0.005 centimeter. To place that in perspective, scientists need a microscope with 400 magnification to work out a sperm cell. This is often a big contrast in size to the female egg cell that, funnily enough, is one of the biggest cells in the human body and is simply about visible with the naked eye. Well, they do say opposites attract. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.